Hi everyone, it's Johanne. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you a couple pieces that I have. One is a prize that I won with Sassy Crafter Carlita L, and that is Carla. And she had a hidden giveaway, and she did a draw, and this was a little while ago. She did a draw, and then she had to redraw. And so she added my name in there. And of course, when she did the redraw with my name being added last, I was picked. Yay! So she picked something online for me. It was die cuts. And so she sent them to me, but there was a little confusion because I received die cuts from the same place that she ordered it from. So I thought it was just another package, but it was from her. So I wanted to share with you with the Coco and Reno die set that she sent me. And thank you so much, Carla. I'm super excited and glad that we figured out where it was and what have you. So these are the ones that she ordered, and it's kind of perfect because this one, you know, is a barbecue type, and you have a picnic table. And of course, I'm in the middle of camping and everything. So those pieces are perfect. So I can add them in a lot of projects that I do. But I love that there's little bits of everything in here. So, you know, and you have the tree, and you just have all the things that you would see while you're camping with butterflies. Well, I don't see flamingos, and I haven't seen a rocket ship, but you know, you might possibly, because we do watch the stars at night. Oh, and look at the little donut. That is adorable. So those were all my pieces that she sent me. So thank you again, Carla, that we got a chance to figure that out, and that you reached out to me just to see if I received it, and we got some clarification there. So thank you for all those amazing pieces. And then I have, I entered into a sequin mix, Everyone Wins Sequin Mix with Johanne, and it's a Happymail stamper, Johanne. So these are my two pieces that I received, and look at those. Oh my God, that's very pretty, the pink and the gold. A couple of my favorite colors in there. Cute little butterfly with the vellum piece there with the bag topper. Love that. Thank you. Doesn't have anyone's name on it, but that's all right. And then this one actually came with two. Oh, lucky me. And then it has that little banner on it with a cute little heart, and then another bag topper. And this one didn't have a name on it either, but those are super adorable. Love the color mixes in there. So thank you for that. But that's all I have in just a quick little video to share with you on those. And yeah, so I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye.